Hey, welcome back there, dome enthusiasts. We've begun the hunt for our missing device. No sign of it here. Just this one wire from last week. Seems to have settled in at about a foot deep. It's headed that way, as it should be. And Ed's moving gravel.
Not anymore.
And hasn't found anything yet. Now, it's taken this path. Yeah, well, it's become straight where I am at this angle.
This stuff's got the fiercest roots.
Nothing yet. Well, that's a wavy wire. You're not being very helpful. Bucky must have been camping in the yard. Now back the other way. I believe this wire is intentionally deceptive. Side to side several times. And now it's
not going over there at all.
Yeah. Now it's taking a completely different course. Well, they had to make some stupid junction somewhere. Alright, we'll follow it all the way across the yard. Found that gravel.
Yeah, the whole yard is gravel. Didn't want any grass.
This wasn't going that way at all. And then there were 4 of them. Oh, let's go back across the yard. You go that way, I'll go this way. And it goes on like this. Alright, those 4 or 5 wires were actually the 2 wires. There's just a whole bunch of looped up slack in the ground here. And it wasn't long enough over there. So, this is the guy we're after. This was switched in there. It is apparently some kind of yard heater. Who's gonna move the pile this time? You got a flip for it? Okay, so there was a gate here, and there's a block in the ground, and that's mighty suspicious, so I'm gonna dig it up. Or maybe I just want to dig somewhere else for a while. Found a brick. Nothing else though. It's just some boring regular brick. No writing at all. Don't fill that in, we might need it. Yeah. So that's where this plant gets its power. And there it ends. Another rotten piece of conduit. There's apparently some kind of a light fixture here just inside the fence. Let us know if you know what that's about. And there's the can't do it no more. Guess we're gonna have to make a notch in the sidewalk somewhere. Well, that was fun. Now we know. except for what that light fixture or whatever it was over there. We'll re-enable that wire there and wait for answers. But apparently, either they just stripped this wire way back on the inside where it appears to emerge from the conduit as individual conductors, or the junction is somewhere under the building. Either way, we're going to have to run a new entrance to the building. And tomorrow we'll dig this up and see what's going on behind this receptacle box where all of the conductors for this setup arrive. So, once again, if you'd like to contribute to our project, you can donate at fullerdomehome.com. See you tomorrow.